Have you ever wondered what would happen if we swapped Earth's moon with other moons in the solar system? Join us on an extraordinary journey exploring the potential consequences of such a cosmic change. Firstly, let's consider the moon. It's responsible for the tides, night sky illumination, and stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. What if we replaced it with Titan, Saturn's largest moon? Titan has a dense atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. The sky on Titan is usually orange, which would drastically alter our day-to-day experiences. The tides would change dramatically, leading to catastrophic flooding in coastal cities. Next up is Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon. It's the biggest moon in the solar system. But Ganymede's strong gravitational pull and unique magnetic field could create powerful electromagnetic storms on Earth. These storms could disrupt our communications and power grid. Then we have Io, another of Jupiter's moons. It's known for its volcanic activity. Replacing our moon with Io would mean constant volcanic eruptions. The resulting ash and gas would block out sunlight, plunging Earth into extreme cold. Now, let's not forget about Europa. Known for its icy surface and potential ocean beneath, swapping our moon with Europa might initially seem like an advantage. However, the strong tidal forces could lead to increased seismic activity on Earth, triggering earthquakes. Moving on to Triton, Neptune's largest moon. Triton has geysers that spew nitrogen gas. If Triton replaced our moon, Earth would experience intense storms and icy conditions like never before. Phobos and Deimos, Mars' moons, are much smaller and irregularly shaped. If we replaced our moon with these tiny moons, the gravitational impact would be minimal. However, they wouldn't provide the same tidal effects, leading to unsteady aquatic ecosystems. Lastly, we have Enceladus, another of Saturn's moons. Known for its geysers, Enceladus could introduce a vast amount of ice and water to Earth, potentially creating new bodies of water but also risking flooding. Each moon brings unique characteristics that would drastically alter life on Earth. The simple act of swapping our moon opens up a cosmos of hypotheticals, revealing just how crucial our moon is to maintaining balance on this planet. In summary, replacing our moon with other moons would lead to dire consequences. Changes in tides, climate, and even survival are at stake. It makes you realize the fragility of cosmic balance. So what do you think? Would you risk swapping our moon for another? Remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating what-if scenarios.